Welcome to our Princess cabin tour in cabin 6103. It is a very large and spacious cabin. It's very pretty. Alfie in the background. We'll come over here. Really large mirror. Check yourself out in it. Thermostat. I have it on Arctic. We have a bin. We have a nice stand. Glasses on there. Tissues. Really open closet area. Life jackets up there. Robes and slippers. A lot of storage. Plenty. Mostly because we use packing cubes. So we save a lot of storage in here. You got a nice little safe. Laundry bag. Close that up. Here we go. Wonderful bathroom. There's a me. And then there's an Alfie. Hello. Sink, again, lovely countertop. 2 drinking glasses. As you can see, we've already made ourselves at home.
And we have some Penhaligon's products.
Yeah, we've got some here. Bathroom bath towels. People think these are clingy curtains. I think they're decent. Oh, we got some more towels here. Literally just noticed that now. A nice deep bath shelf here. Handrail to hold on.
And a washing line.
Yes.
Hidden behind there.
And a hidden washing line right there. Going out this way. So, huge bed, and if you've noticed, we brought our dog with us. Corgi is not included. We brought our pet Inga with us from Cunard. 2 bedside lamps. Now, what is the one thing about this cabin that you've noticed that there isn't any?
People may notice no plug sockets by the side of the bed, no USBs either anywhere. I don't think.
Just your
European,
standard
UK, American plugs.
The phone, a nice chair, and the hairdryer. Try the lowest setting.
Quite warm. Not as strong as...
We have the main minibar station. We've got the minibar menu. Here we go. This is the minibar. Now, just to note, these are not free. So, if you do drink a few of these, do expect a bill at the end of your voyage. TV here. Walking around here. We've got an Alfie again. Lovely sofa that can turn into a pull-out bed. Some nice artwork. On Cunard, all cabin grades come with a bottle of bubbles. But in Princess, one might also receive some chocolate truffles, which mysteriously have vanished for us. Wonder where those went. We also have some whiskey glasses, a icebox, tea and coffee facilities, as you can see here. Coffee machine, I'll battle you later. Really nice balcony. Some really nice chairs. Love the padding, it's really nice and soft. Also a footrest, or you can put your drinks on it. Whatever you'd like. And that has been the Princess Grill Cabin 6103.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss our next video on Cunard's Queen Victoria.